Welcome to the training video for our vehicle management software. To log in, type the login and password and select your branch. You will be logged successfully. This system is divided into three key modules: Vehicle Master, Vehicle Transaction, and Vehicle Reports. In the Vehicle Master module, the first feature is Own Vehicle Registration. The Own Vehicle Registration feature in your vehicle management software is used to register and track company-owned vehicles. It stores key details like vehicle code, name, number, type, branch, registration date, insurance, FC, permit, and tax expiry dates. You can add, edit, view, and delete vehicle details. Vehicle Type Master. The Vehicle Type Master feature helps you efficiently manage and categorize different vehicle types for both hired and owned vehicles. This ensures a well-organized database, making it easy to classify, search, and manage vehicle records, allows you to add, edit, and delete vehicle types. Maintains a structured list of vehicle classifications, example truck, bus, van, car, two-wheeler, etc. Vehicle Type Maintenance. The Vehicle Type Maintenance feature is a tool used to manage, categorize, and track different vehicle types and their subassemblies within a fleet management system. It helps keep an organized record of both owned and hired vehicles, ensuring efficient data management. You can search for vehicle types, which means quickly locate specific vehicle types using a search bar. You can add, edit, and delete vehicle categories, example, sedan, SUV, truck, bus, etc. View vehicle details by clicking vehicle type to see detailed specifications and assign subassemblies. Also, you can create new vehicle classifications and update the master list. Vehicle TDS%. This feature is designed to manage tax deducted at source, TDS, percentages for hired vehicles. It ensures compliance with tax regulations and helps maintain accurate financial records related to payments made for vehicle hire. IT allows users to view, edit, and update TDS rates, track their effective dates, and keep an organized history of tax deductions. This feature ensures businesses adhere to tax laws while streamlining financial management for vehicle hire payments. Vehicle Diesel Rate. The Vehicle Diesel Rate feature helps users track, manage, and compare diesel prices for vehicles over time. It allows for better financial planning, budgeting, and cost analysis by keeping records of current and past diesel rates. Users can view diesel rate history, add, edit, or delete rates, and search for specific entries. It also allows for diesel rate comparison over time to analyze price fluctuations and optimize fuel expenses. Hire Vehicle Registration. The Hire Vehicle feature is designed for managing and tracking vehicles that are rented or leased by the company. It provides a centralized system to organize, monitor, and report on hired vehicles across different branches, ensuring better control over fleet operations. IT allows users to filter vehicles by branch, search and view records, and manage key details like vehicle numbers, types, and rental companies. Users can also edit, update, or delete entries and generate comprehensive reports for informed decision-making. Location Master. The Location Master feature helps users manage and organize branch and sub-branch locations within the system. It allows for easy selection, registration, and modification of branch and sub-branch details. This tool ensures that location information is accurate, up-to-date, and easily accessible for better operational efficiency. Users can select, search, view, edit, and delete locations, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information. It allows for branch-based filtering, quick location searches, and the addition of new sub-branch entries, enhancing operational efficiency and data accessibility. Hire Vehicle Spare Percentage. The spare deduction percent feature allows users to manage and track the percentage of spare part deductions associated with hire vehicles. It ensures that spare part costs are accurately calculated and helps with proper budgeting and maintenance of hire vehicles. You can view and assess both current and historical spare deduction percentages to track changes over time. Easily register new spare deduction rates by filling in the effective date and percentage. Modify existing deduction percentages if there are any updates or changes. Remove outdated or irrelevant spare deduction entries from the list. Equipment Master. The Vehicle Equipment Master List is a feature designed to organize and manage a comprehensive list of vehicle equipment types. It serves as a centralized repository for all equipment-related information, enabling easy access, updates, and deletions. It allows users to add new equipment with details like vehicle type, edit existing entries to update information, delete outdated entries with confirmation, search for specific equipment types easily. Tire Details module helps manage and track tire information for fleet vehicles. It allows you to view reports by branch, search for DRES by their code or model, and access details such as tire code, model, price, and type. Users can also edit, delete, or add new tire records, which include information like model, make, position, purchase source, date, and amount. This feature ensures that tire management is efficient, helping maintain the safety and performance of the fleet. The Battery Card module helps you keep track of battery information for vehicles like JCBs and dump trucks. It stores important details like the battery code, type, brand, expected lifespan, and where it was purchased. You can easily find specific battery records, update them if needed, or remove old records that are no longer in use. This module helps ensure that you stay organized, plan for battery replacement,